Come on friends, let's see another new interesting story.
Suddenly the Jewish children started screaming loudly. They were so thirsty that they started begging for water from the German soldiers. But the German army stood like stone-hearted people. There was no mercy on their faces. The children got tired of crying, some even started licking water from the mud. Then an officer posted there took pity. He signaled to the soldiers, opened the water fire engine. As soon as the water fountain started, the Jewish children ran, sat on their knees in the mud and started drinking water. The officer thought that now everything would be peaceful, but the opposite happened. As soon as the children had their fill, they started spitting out the water right there and then started abusing the soldiers. The German commander was furious seeing this. He shouted in anger, "Take everyone to another camp immediately, and make even more strict arrangements for the Jews coming." The soldiers now kept better food and water in the camp, but as soon as new Jews came, the children ate their food and started spitting on the soldiers on the streets. Seeing this, the patience of the German army broke. In this chaos, the soldiers found a hidden bag with a young girl. It contained many gold coins and expensive rotis wrapped in paper. The officer picked up the roti and asked, "Where did this come from?" The girl stared at him with frightened eyes and said softly, "One roti, 50 lakhs." The officer got angry and threw the roti on the ground and started crushing it with his boot. The girl tried to pull the roti and a fight broke out between the two. Then the girl pushed the soldier and ran away from there when she got the chance. Meanwhile, the situation in the country went from bad to worse. Due to the Second World War, people started suffering from hunger. Expensive rotis were now being sold at the price of gold. Somewhere a roti worth 5 rupees was being sold for 5 lakh rupees, somewhere people were dying of hunger. Hitler, who had completely taken over the power by now, made a dangerous plan to stop this destruction. He called his commanders and prepared a secret mission: catch as many Jews as possible and send them to a hidden camp by loading them in a train. As soon as they reached the camp, all their precious clothes, jewelry and hair were taken off from the Jews. Now they were empty-handed, shivering in the cold, but still there was a strange smile on their faces. They thought to themselves, once money was everything, now see what is left. The German soldiers were surprised for a moment to see their wealth, but the next moment they would get the order, take everyone to that deserted bunker. Only painful screams would come from somewhere. The bunkers were set on fire, the ashes were thrown away in sacks. And then the same wealth, the same love for gold, everything evaporated into smoke.
If you liked the video, please don't leave without liking and subscribing.